Okay, how to prepare a sweet potato in the microwave. So first of all, you need a knife or use a metal fork. However, I don't have a metal fork. Plastic fork won't do. Grab your sharp knife, be careful not to cut yourself, and stab this thing good all around the sweet potato. Once again, be careful. Do not cut your finger. Okay, stab it pretty good. Okay, after you have enough holes, you are going to wrap it up into this paper towel. And I'm going to get it soaking wet. I'll be right back. Okay, now that your sweet potato is soaking wet, we will stick it in the microwave for about 6 minutes. For this size, it's a medium size, not a large size. Put it in our microwave, a microwave-safe bowl. Oops. For 6 minutes. And we shall see the results after 6 minutes.